Hello everyone, welcome back to AMG Cloud. This is our first session out of 50 sessions where we are going to practice 1000 questions for AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. In this session, we'll practice questions from 1 to 20 out of our 1000 questions. So without any further delay, let us get started with our video. First question, which of these AWS services will you use to run event-driven workloads in AWS? First option AWS Elastic Beanstalk, second option AWS Lambda, third option AWS Elastic Container Service which is ECS, fourth option AWS Fargate. Guess the answer. The correct answer is second option AWS Lambda. Second question, a private subnet does not have a route to first option NAT instance, second option internet gateway, third option security groups, fourth option NAT gateway. Guess the answer. The correct answer is second option internet gateway. Third question, which of these is not a category of checks provided by trusted advisor? First option performance, second option cost optimization, third option service limits, fourth option reliability. Guess the answer. The correct answer is fourth option reliability. Fourth question, which of these provides you with an extra layer of protection on top of your username and password for critical operations? First option IAM group, second option IAM user, third option MFA, fourth option IAM role. Guess the answer. The correct answer is third option MFA. Fifth question, which of these AWS services provides you with checks to optimize your AWS infrastructure, increase security and performance, reduce your overall costs, and monitor service limits? First option AWS CloudTrail, second option AWS Trusted Advisor, third option AWS Organizations, fourth option AWS Config. Guess the answer. The correct answer is second option AWS Trusted Advisor. Sixth option, which of these sits between public subnet resources and the internet? First option NAT gateway, second option security group, third option internet gateway, fourth option NAT instance. Guess the answer. The correct answer is third option internet gateway. Seventh question, you need to quickly run a mission critical batch program that cannot be interrupted. Which of these options could you choose? First option reserved instances, second option on-demand instances, third option spot instances, fourth option savings plan. Guess the answer. The correct answer is second option on-demand instances. Eighth question, which of these are pillars in the AWS well-architect framework? You have to select two options. First option cost optimization, second option efficiency, 3 resilience, 4 operational excellence, fifth, provisioning servers. Guess the answer. The correct answers are first option cost optimization and fourth option operational excellence. Ninth question, which of the following AWS services allows a database to have a flexible schema and supports document data models? First option Amazon Aurora, second option Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL, third option Amazon DynamoDB, fourth option Amazon Redshift. Guess the answer. The correct answer is third option Amazon DynamoDB. 10th question, a cybersecurity agency uses AWS Cloud and wants to carry out security assessments on their own AWS infrastructure without any prior approval from AWS. Which of the following describes or facilitates this process? First option AWS Secrets Manager, second option Amazon Inspector, third option Network Stress Testing, fourth option Penetration Testing. Guess the answer. The correct answer is fourth option Penetration Testing. 11th question, which AWS service can be used to execute code triggered by new files being uploaded to S3? First option Lambda, second option EC2, third option ECS, fourth option SQS. Guess the answer. The correct answer is first option Lambda. 12th question, which of the following is correct regarding the AWS RDS service? You can use both read replicas and multi-AZ for improved read performance. Second option, you can use read replicas for disaster recovery and multi-AZ for improved read performance. Third option, you can use read replicas for both improved read performance as well as disaster recovery. Fourth option, you can use read replicas for improved read performance and multi-AZ for disaster recovery. Guess the answer. The correct answer is third option. You can use read replicas for both improved read performance as well as disaster recovery. 13th question. A company would like to audit requests made to an S3 bucket. As a cloud practitioner, which S3 feature would you recommend addressing this use case? First option, S3 bucket policies. Second option, S3 versioning. Third option, S3 access logs. Fourth option, S3 cross-region replication, which is CRR. Guess the answer. The correct answer is third option, S3 access logs. 14th question. Which of the following statements best describes the concept of agility in relation to cloud computing on AWS? So you have to select two options. First option, the ability to automatically scale capacity. Second option, the ability to experiment quickly. Third option, the speed at which AWS rolls out new features. Fourth option, the speed at which AWS resources can be created. Fifth option, the elimination of wasted capacity. Guess the answer. The correct answer is second option, the ability to experiment quickly, and fourth option, the speed at which AWS resources can be created. 15th question. An Amazon Virtual Private Cloud VPC can include multiple. First option, internet gateways. Second option, availability zones. Third option, AWS regions. Fourth option, edge locations. Guess the answer. The correct answer is second option, availability zones. 16th question. A company is deploying a MySQL database on AWS. The database must easily scale and have automatic backup enabled. Which AWS service should the company use? First option, Amazon Aurora. Second option, Amazon Athena. Third option, Amazon DynamoDB. Fourth option, Amazon Document DB. Guess the answer. The correct answer is first option, Amazon Aurora. 17th question. Which AWS managed service can be used to process vast amount of data using hosted Hadoop framework? First option, Amazon Redshift. Second option, Amazon Athena. Third option, Amazon EMR. Fourth option, Amazon DynamoDB. Guess the answer. The correct answer is third option, Amazon EMR. 18th question. Which feature enables fast, easy, and secure transfers of files over long distances between a client and an Amazon S3 bucket? First option, multi-part upload. Second option, S3 copy. Third option, S3 transfer acceleration. Fourth option, S3 static websites. Guess the answer. The correct answer is third option, S3 transfer acceleration. 19th question. Which AWS Glacier data access option retrieves data from an archive in 1 to 5 minutes? First option, standard. Second option, expedited. Third option, express. Fourth option, accelerated. Guess the answer. The correct answer is second option, expedited. 20th question. Which HTTP code indicates a successful upload of an object to Amazon S3? First option 300, second option 200, third option 500, fourth option 400. Guess the answer. The correct answer is second option 200. That's all for today's video. In our next video, we will come up with questions 21 to 40 out of our 1000 questions. Keep practicing for your exams. Take care of yourself. Thank you and bye.